Welcome back to my channel, and I'm glad to have you here today. We're going to head into the living room to do a little summer decorating. Yay! I'm excited for summer decorating. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today, and if you do, consider subscribing. That would be much appreciated. Okay guys, we're starting out today with cleaning off the surfaces before we end up putting out any new decorations on them. I just want to say thanks for joining me today. It's a great day for doing this. It's bright and sunny outside, and it kind of got me thinking about doing this video, and I'm just excited to bring it to you, and I hope you do enjoy everything you see. And if you're sticking around to watch the video, we are going to do a final pan. You can see how everything turns out and comes together at the very end of the video if you stay tuned. I'm just adding a few books together on the mantle and putting a plant on, adding this candle, and the centerpiece that you see in the middle with the greenery, I ended up thrifting, and I really ended up liking that. And I bought this Breathe picture that I'm going to put on a stand on the edge. I bought that from Winners, and I really like how that turned out. I'm just going ahead and cleaning my glass tables before I put any more on the surfaces. So I ended up thrifting this basket also, and I had a few flowers that I decided just to put in a bunch and add to just laying on the side of the basket. Nothing too fancy, just kind of keeping it very casual. Didn't really want to do a big flower arrangement right now, so didn't want anything fussy. Just adding a picture frame and some greenery again. I decided to do a little bit more with some greenery in the living room. I do have blue walls, so I decided to add some green touches. So you will see a few green touches here and there when it comes to the living room, trying to keep a little bit of white together with the green. There's my puppy, Oakley, just walking through right now. I did have this tray, so this is something that I did keep. I usually do keep it on the living room table. I'm just going to add that back on, but I'm going to change up the centerpiece that I normally have in the center. I'm going to add some of these books. I like just buying books from thrift stores, any places like that, just so I can decorate with them. And I like them for this instance, piling a few books on top of inside a tray and then adding a candle on top just gives it that extra height that you're looking for. And I do have this bowl that I'm going to just stick here, the ceramic bowl that I did buy this one from Winners, and I was thrifting and found these little decorative balls, and I'm going to end up using these inside that bowl. Again, like I said, just keeping it very simple. And guys, just what I do is I go through my house and I just kind of repurpose things and see what I can pull from other rooms. You don't always have to buy brand new. I do end up thrifting a lot, and I do try to get things from Goodwill or little stores like that, little antique stores, anything I can find. You don't always have to go buy brand new. And, I find that that's just as nice sometimes. You can find some really nice things out there if you keep your eye open. So again, here we are with a stack of books. And I'm just going to be placing them in the middle of the table. And that's just going to give me the extra height that I'm looking for. And I'm going to place this plant. And I ended up buying this cute little girl here. She's just so sweet. I thought she was perfect for summertime with the flowers and the bow in her hair. And I just really liked her. I don't know why when I was looking in the stores, I saw her and I thought, oh, you know what? She's so sweet. And the clock I did already have, but I'm going to end up using it again on this table. And that turned out really well, but I think it's just, like I said, it's simple. Nothing too big. I'm putting this lantern back on this little table here. And I did have this hydrangea plant that I'm going to repurpose and use. I purchased these really, I don't know, hopefully they're coming across on camera, but they are green. They're like a sage green. These covers, they're from Amazon, just with the pillow inserts inside. And I'm just going to keep my white pillows with that. So I'm just trying to mix in a little bit of different color this time just to brighten it up for summer. I don't know why this summer I just kind of had that vibe for the sage green color. I thought the sage green and white went really good together, kind of fresh. So another pillow cover from Amazon, and just with the insert inside, the lumbar pillow. And I'm just going to set this in front of my larger pillow, the fuzzy one. I usually end up keeping that on my chair most of the seasons, actually. And I have this cozy, really soft throw that I love and I do use a lot. And I'm going to throw that on the edge of my chair. I hope you guys are enjoying your day and hope you had nice weather. We've been having some really, really nice weather here in Ontario, and we're really looking forward to summer. There's another pillow cover I ended up getting from Amazon, and it is a sunflower, and I thought it was so super cute, so I just ended up getting this one, and I'm going to stick it in a basket beside the fireplace. I did end up buying a few of them, but when I did put them on the couch, it was kind of a little too busy, so I ended up just kind of keeping the one and just sticking in the basket. And here is the sage green pillows again that I'm going to use for my other couch with the insert inside. And the pillow covers, guys, are really good quality from Amazon too. I really like these. They're nice and soft, comfy and cozy. Again, setting the white one in front. I bought this little daisy blue and white flower throw that I'm just going to stick on my couch, and I thought this was really cute and cozy too, so I'm going to use that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you consider liking and subscribing, and I'm really, really happy that you got to join me today, and I was really excited to do this video with you guys, and toodaloo, and we'll see you next time. Hi guys, this is Oakley. And we just want to say thank you so much for joining us today. The video's done, and that's some summer decorating, and thank you for joining us, and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.